Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming along to the second event on the second day of our Telfest. I'm really pleased to introduce Clive Young and Natasha Rovic from UCL.
Natasha and I realised that we had to do something to engage with our academic colleagues.
Investigate and interpret your local hidden heritage.
Very good. Local heritage, fantastic, wonderful.
Modelling the
Today's session was really great in terms of the speed with which it generated ideas, helped us collaborate, talk things through and get things on paper in terms of coming up with new ideas for how a module is put together and the kind of activities that we might ask students to do. It was really just a reminder of all the things that I know somewhere in the back of my head I need to do for the planning of my current module, but it helps you really structure them and see them in a story, kind of in one linear story from start to finish, and that's a really satisfying thing to be able to visualize. It's a very visual session.
So yeah, we've just done the ABC TEL session, and it was brilliant. We got an opportunity to look through and kind of consider our module in terms of the various dimensions of learning, how we deliver it, how we assess it, what sort of things we ask our students to do, and the thing I really took away from it was an almost unique opportunity to sit back and see the entire module and actually consider it more from the students' point of view. You know, what sort of things are we requiring them to do at each stage? And the thing I really liked about this was the insights that we got there were just kind of a hint as how powerful this is going to be. It would be brilliant if we could do this for the whole programme, and I think that would actually be quite transformative and actually give us some real kind of insights into what our degree looks like. So thank you very much.